suddenly catch their breath when you are passing. But maybe some old duffer mutters a blessing, because it was your prayer recovered him upon the bed of death. For your soul's sake that all heart's-ache have known, and given to others all heart's-ache, from meager girlhood's putting on burdensome beauty for your soul's sake. Heaven has put away the stroke of her doom, so great her portion in that peace you make by merely walking in a room. Your beauty can but leave among us vague memories, nothing but memories. A young man, when the old men are done talking, will say to an old man, tell me of that lady. The poet, stubborn with his passion, sang us when age might well have chilled his blood. Vague memories, nothing but memories, but in the grave all shall be renewed. The certainty that I shall see that lady leaning or standing or walking in the first loveliness of womanhood. And with the fervor of my youthful eyes set me muttering like a fool, you are more beautiful than anyone. And yet your body had a flaw, your small hands were not beautiful, and I am afraid that you will run and paddle to the wrist in that mysterious, always brimming lake, where those what have obeyed the holy law paddle and are perfectly unchanged. The hands that I have kissed for your sake's sake. The last stroke of midnight dies all day in the one chair, from dream to dream and rhyme to rhyme I have arranged in rambling talk with an image of air. Vague memories, nothing but memories.